Assalamu alaikum students. It's unit number 2, creating a document, task 4, working with tables. In this task you will learn how to create a table, how to insert the table, and formatting a table, to apply a style, shading, borders, and edit your tables, like how to add row and column, how to delete row and column, to change the size of column and row, and auto fit features that automatically adjust the size of your table, to select a row, column or cell and align the text in a cell, to change the direction of the cells. So let's get started. Working with tables. When you want to show organized information in a text document, you may use spreadsheet or a table in Microsoft Word. To create a table, on the Insert tab in the Tables group, click Table. Select the size of the table you want. For example, choose 4 by 4 to create a table with 4 rows and 4 columns. To type text, just click inside a cell and start typing. To insert a table, on the Insert tab in the Tables group, click Table and click Insert Table. On the Insert Table window, set the parameters you want. For example, a table with 5 columns and 6 rows, and click OK. Formatting a table. To apply a style, click anywhere in the table. On the Design tab in the Table Style group, click the style you like. The style you selected will change the appearance of the entire table. You can also use a custom style we discussed in previous lessons. To use shadings, on the Design tab in the Table Style group, click Shading. Click the color you want to apply to your table. Remember, a table consists of rows, columns and cells, but they don't have names like on a spreadsheet. If you want to make complex calculations, use Microsoft Excel and then copy all the cells to your document as a table. To use a border, select the area of the table you want to add a border to. On the Design tab in the Table Style group, click the small arrow next to border. Click the type of border you want, for example, right border. Edit your table. To add a row or a column, right click the cell next to which you want to add a row or column. In the pop-up menu, click Insert. For this example, click Insert column to the right. A new column will appear on the right side next to the selected cell. To delete a row or a column, right click any cell on the row or column you want to delete. Click Delete Cells. Click Delete Entire Row or Delete Entire Column to delete a row or a column. To change the size of a column or a row, point on the right border of the column whose size you want to change. Hold click and drag the border to the left or right. Features to adjust automatically size of your table. Right click the column whose size you want to change and click Auto Fit. Click Auto Fit to contents to automatically adjust the size of the column to the largest word. To select a row, column or cell, right click the cell which belongs to the row you want to select. Click Select. For example, click Row. The row that the cell belongs to will automatically be selected. When you type something in a table, by default the text is aligned to the left. To align the text in a cell, right-click the cell and click Cell Alignment. Click the alignment you prefer. To change the direction of the text, right-click the cell you want to change the direction of and click Text Direction. In the text direction table cell window, click the orientation that you prefer. Hands-on activity. Create a table with your school schedule. Put the days in the first row, the hours in the first column, and your subjects in the appropriate cells. Format the schedule any way you like. Use a big font size and print it for your desk or bedroom wall. Thank you.